Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, Classes and Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Part 40. What is BulkInsert task in SSIS?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what is BulkInsert task in SSIS. The BulkInsert task in SSIS is a control flow task used to rapidly load large flat files data like CSV or TXT files directly into SQL Server table using the SQL Server BulkInsert command. BulkInsert task is equal to fastest way in SSIS to load a flat file into SQL Server table with minimum logging and high performance. What it does? It loads data from CSV or TXT directly into SQL tables, uses SQL Server's BulkInsert engine very fast, supports delimiters like comma, pipe, tab, etc., allows skipping header rows, can log rejected rows, good for very large files like 3 GB size. What it cannot do? It cannot transform data, no conversions, no derived columns, cannot load Excel files, cannot handle text qualifiers, and require SQL Server to access the file path. Permissions are required. Let us see these things practically in SSIS. We are in SSIS. I am trying to create a new package. I am renaming it as BulkInsert task. BulkInsert task. Okay, for that, here for us no need to take data flow task and sources and transformations and destination to load the data. There is a direct like task we have here like BulkInsert task. With single task we can do the required like loading, bulk load. Here I am having a file which is having like 4 or 5 columns with 100 records, like 1000 records. I am trying to load this data into SQL Server database. Here what I am going to do is, I am just opening the BulkInsert task here. In BulkInsert task, in general, we can give name and description. And here in connections, we can specify the connection. What is the connection? That is GKey solutions.gmo GKey. I am deleting, I am creating it from the scratch. Why? Because see, this is the server name that I am trying to give here, and in that server there are different databases. I am taking demo GKey database, test connection, it is fine, and now I am taking this one. And here coming to the destination table, we will be selecting the tables in demo or GKey database. Here I am trying to select the BulkInsert target table, and here in the formats we have 2 formats. One is specify or use file. I am taking specify. And here row delimiter we can have CRLF, and column delimiter is comma. Why? Because in our file we are having comma. Let us see. The column delimiter is comma. That is why we are ticking comma in our package. And now we have to configure the source. We have to make a connection for that existing file. This is the BulkInsert source that I am taking. The connection is done. Let us try to execute this package. Package is running. It is got ran successful, and let us check the data here. I have created the target table. I am checking the data now. There is no data right now. See, now we are having 101 records into the target table. In this way, we can load the data from TXT or CSV files by using a single task, that is BulkInsert task. Here in BulkInsert task, if you go, you will be having different options. You can set the batch size and first row. Here, first row it will take from the first row. And if you give second, third, and if you give any number, then it will start from that. It will treat that row as first row, and it will load the data from there itself. This is how we can have some like options also we can make in the bulk insert task. By using bulk insert task, we can insert the data which is in flat files like CSV and TXT files, and the data types have to be similar in a target table as well. Here we can't use any conversions. If there is no conversions required and there are flat files like CSV and TXT files, we can go and use bulk insert task to load the data faster compared to the individual components. I think got some idea about bulk insert task. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.